Nigeria will be great. Will be great someday.
This man.
Nigeria will be great. Will be great someday.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
This my uncle has started drinking again. He has started drinking again.
Okonsondo, Shebi, you have started drinking again. After now, you start saying rubbish that will put us into trouble.
What did I say?
Go and ask your grandfather.
You're not the one that said that our president doesn't have a certificate.
Did I lie?
Where's the evidence?
Evidence.
Show me the evidence. Show me.
Evidence. You see this palm wine?
Continue.
This palm wine is made in Chicago. What other evidence do you need?
Have you seen it? Ihonaya, you are talking rubbish again. Stand up, let us start.
Did not make any mistake.
Stand up.
I will know, Kenya. Don't push. I am an elder. If you push me down, if you push me down, if you push me down, one foul. I have a song to sing. Let me just sing. Nigeria will be great. We be great.
Someday.
Oh, you even know the song.
Let us start.
Kekereke by Kent.
Okonsondo,
Yeah?
what did you just do now?
What did you hear?
Did you just mess?
That thing is called new release. Latest album.
One photo.
The latest evidence made in Chicago.
One photo.
Start going.